Hi everyone, and welcome to this in-depth overview of Throttle, a powerful email privacy tool designed to give you complete control over what arrives in your inbox. If you're frustrated with constant spam and unwanted subscription emails, Throttle might just be the solution you're looking for. Today, I'll walk you through its features, highlight some pros and cons, and discuss how it stacks up in the market. Throttle's main function is creating unique email aliases. Every time you sign up for a newsletter, subscription, or online account, Throttle generates a random alias email address that you can use. The benefit? Emails from that alias route through Throttle, letting you decide what reaches your inbox, what's blocked, and what's marked as spam. If any alias starts getting flooded with spam, you can turn it off with a click, and voila! No more spam from that source. An excellent feature is Throttle's ability to group and organize emails. Instead of every email landing directly in your inbox, Throttle sends a daily digest where you can review messages, unsubscribe, or manage email sources quickly. This feature is ideal if you want to cut down on email clutter and have a simplified overview of all your subscriptions. Let's talk about privacy. Throttle doesn't just help you manage your inbox. It also ensures sites don't track your personal email habits. With each alias, Throttle masks your real email address, keeping your primary inbox more secure from data breaches and spammer lists. Pricing is another important factor. Throttle offers a free tier, which provides basic functionality, but it's limited. For serious users looking for robust email management and privacy features, the premium version is around $40 a year. Considering its unique services, this is quite competitive, especially if you get frequent spam from online signups and need effective control. One of Throttle's limitations is that it doesn't replace your existing email client. Instead, it works as a layer of control and filtering on top of your regular email, so you'll still need a traditional email provider. Also, while the free version is helpful, it does have limits on the number of aliases and features you can use. For full functionality, upgrading is necessary. Now, if you're interested in even deeper email management, check out Clean Email, an excellent tool that complements Throttle by automating your inbox cleanup and providing advanced filtering options. For more info, follow the link in the description. Overall, Throttle is an excellent choice for anyone looking to take charge of their email privacy and reduce inbox clutter. The alias generation and daily digest features make it unique, giving you both control and a clean, streamlined inbox experience. If this overview helped you, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button for more useful content.